Before I get into this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to your girl's channel. Alright, so the first thing that I like to do is remove my makeup with coconut oil, which is so much better than other products. Other products have coconut oil in them, but why not just use it raw? It really gets all of your makeup off, and it is very moisturizing. Keep that skin moisturized and not dry. The cold winter air likes to snatch away your smooth glow. So this was kind of sitting in my house one day and I decided to try it, and y'all, baby wash is the next thing that is on my list. It is the #1 thing that is on my top 10 skincare products. You guys need to go ahead and try it out. It makes your skin soft, especially if you have sensitive skin. Okay, so next I will be exfoliating my skin with this pink grapefruit scrub by Neutrogena. It is important to exfoliate your skin during this time because you really need to get that dead skin out. You need to make sure your skin is soft and ready to face that freezing cold weather. So go ahead and get yourself an exfoliator. Before you put on your makeup, it's important to use a primer, which I used to never do this, but you know, it's actually pretty good for your skin. So I'm going to be using this Honey Dew Me Up, which smells delicious. So you're just going to put this all over your face and it feels amazing. And also, it almost gives your skin a glow before you put on the makeup. And I really like this, like, honestly. It's like, girl. So the next thing that I've been using is this Aloe Vera gel, which is really good, and I've heard about this, but I didn't really know exactly what it did. But I'm telling you, it's crazy. If you put this on your face, you will see all the dead skin that comes off when you apply this. You really need to copy one of these. I'm telling you, you are missing out. I'm trying to let you on to this secret that's been getting me smooth skin. So go get it from Walgreens. I got this from the beauty supply store. Okay, so this one is the weird one. We're going to be using Pepto Bismol. Hopefully you guys have this downstairs in your refrigerator and you can just go ahead and try this tonight. So this Pepto Bismol has this acne fighting superpower ingredient, and it helps your skin glow and get rid of that acne. It's weird, but why not try it? So this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys liked this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel before you go.